Looking at these pictures makes me sad. They show the hardtop of my MB2 in Jaguar Caviar Red Pearl. These are some of the best pictures I made of it before it got destroyed. These hardtops are incredibly expensive, especially with custom paint. As you can see, the hardtop is in a horrible state at the moment, especially the roof. The heated rear window is still intact, and so are all of the latches. The front right corner of this hardtop is troubling me the most. This is the first time the hardtop went back on the car in over a year, just for this video. I wonder if this hardtop can be fixed. Personally, I think it is a lost case, because there might be too much structural damage. But I'm not the expert. I've seen people creating fastback hardtops from fiberglass, so a repair might be feasible after all. Do you think this hardtop can be fixed? Please let me know if you know how. Would it be a do-it-yourself job, or can someone in my region do it for me? In case you are wondering how I got to this point, then stick around and I will tell you what happened. A few years ago I bought a second MX-5 as a project. I saved a black cherry mica Memories 3 and got it back on the road. In the winter I put the black hardtop on it that came with my first MX-5. But the black car needed new paint. When I finally decided on the new color and saved the money, it went to the painter. So far so good. The car and hardtop all received their new color and were looking great. I even had it glass coated. The Memories 3 went into winter storage at a friend's house, and I put the hardtop on it to save space in my garage. I even bought a nice set of ND wheels for it. When it was time to get the car back home, I lost control over the trailer. The car landed top down in a ditch, still strapped to the trailer that I borrowed. Fortunately, nobody got hurt, and it was a single-sided accident. The car and trailer were recovered and put in storage and later transported to a local body shop. The car was insured, but the trailer wasn't, so I paid for a replacement. I then decided to buy back the car from the insurance company. It could not easily be rebuilt, so I ended up parting it out. Buying back the car is also why the hardtop is still with me. Some people were interested in buying it for the rear window, but I was not ready to let go yet. Would I be better off selling this hardtop and buying one that needs new paint anyway? Or should I abandon the idea completely because the car is stored inside during the winter? Of course, I enjoy driving this car with the top down, but I also love the look of it when the hardtop is on it. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Like and subscribe if you want, and become a member if you want to support the channel. Thanks for watching MX-5 Info, and until next time.